Good morning, my dear students. Actually, today we are going to learn Photoshop. Okay, so this is the Photoshop window. First of all, before going to Photoshop, you should understand why you are learning Photoshop Adobe Cc. My dear, Photoshop. Nowadays, in our book front page and manage invitation, any invitation you are seeing, and graphical images, if any movie is releasing such type of graphical images, example, just to see any movie. Uh, See, if you open any images, okay, means for your understanding purpose I'm making. So this is the Iron Man, means we know this all. But this type of graphics, okay, this type of graphics we can able to make in only Photoshop. Here they use some advanced graphic software, okay. But without advanced software, if you want to make anything, this type of things we can able to make by Photoshop. First they will design in a Photoshop any image, okay, any image. Now I am going to search India. Means I just searched India. You can able to see our map. This map design with help of Photoshop only we made. Okay, this is a design we are seeing. So this type of country name, um, everything, this all we are making with help of the Photoshop. Actually, students, not only for this, with help of Photoshop, the person who is black, okay, we can able to make a white, more fair. And if any person is having any pimple in a face, okay, if any person is having any pimple, okay, such type of pimple we can able to remove. If you are seeing some images, wedding images, with help of Photoshop, they're making more and more attractive. Else, the person, if I'm going to take you a photo in your home, okay, just I'm taking one photo, but after taking a photo, I can able to make that you are in some particular five-star hotel. I can able to take, means you may stand in some other street, some place. I am just clicking a photo. After taken that photo, we can able to make it modify. We can able to do Photoshop that you are in some Paris, or you are beside of the Donald Trump, or we can able to make that you are with any celebrity. Such type of photos we can able to make with help of Photoshop. Okay, so in this chapter, we will learn just only the basic things, and you should know why we are learning the Photoshop. Okay, this class I will tell only few things, and the next video class I will upload what are the operations and everything available in Photoshop. Okay, now see in the Adobe Photoshop WC, introducing the features of Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so here they given a pic before after. In this picture when we are saying, okay, before, actually in PDF it's not clear, but before it was little bit dark, but after we made little bit brightness. Okay, here they given just simple story. Can you imagine how it can happen? Means children, you may have photograph, marriage album, magazine, means this all things we seen, but when we are seeing, it was highly edited. Can you imagine how it happened? So that only with the help of Adobe Photoshop we can able to make. Okay, see, most of the posters, especially movie poster or any politician big banner, or any means whatever banners posters you are seeing, it maximum made by Photoshop only. Example here, poster. Simple I made poster. Here so many posters are there. This also we can able to make Photoshop. This also means everything, those are here. Everything made by Photoshop. This also made by Photoshop. So this all the things. Okay, you should know the Photoshop. Means this all things we can able to make by Photoshop. Students, this fifth chapter, sixth chapter, both are Photoshop. Okay, uh, we will go slowly, but entire you will understand the full concept of the Photoshop and you can able to make a new photo. Okay. Now see here features. Revised user friendly means what are now you are seeing Adobe Photoshop Cc. Before this there are many versions CS3, CS2, CS. Okay. Photoshop 7, so many versions are there. Now we are learning Adobe Photoshop Cc. Actually this is the latest version. Okay, this is the latest version. After this 2019 came, recently 2020 also there, but this is sufficient. This is sufficient. You can able to do maximum work. Okay, and the minimum requirement your system should be at least i3. If your system is less than i3, we can't able to use Photoshop CC. But when you are going for Photoshop 7, low level configuration also okay, it will be run. Means what is this configuration, sir? Why you are telling this i3 low level and all? If you are installing the software, if you want to use the software, your system should be in a some particular manner. Okay. If your system is not upgraded, if your system is not advanced level, you can't able to use. See, even in my system, I selected create new till it is loading, till it is coming. Means it will totally what to say means it will make your system slow. You can't able to create any file. See, I clicked create till it is coming, so it will take time. Mine is i3. In i3 itself this much slow. Just to imagine if you are having low level configure, so you should not what to say, you should not go low level configure system to use the Photoshop. Okay. Now finally it opened. Almost near 30 seconds it taken time. Okay. So this is a Photoshop window. Before going to the window, first try to go to the concept. Okay. Before what is this user friendly? Student, just to imagine when you are having a mobile, anyone teach you how to use a mobile? No. You are learning by yourself. What is the use of camera? What is the use of the text message? This all things you are learning by yourself. Correct? Same way in Photoshop, user friendly means a user can able to learn by using only. Means without any person help, it is very easy to understand, very easy to use. That only that mentioning here, user friendly. And here photo editing can done more efficiently. We can able to edit the photo more efficient, more than your expectation. Students, you can't able to imagine what are things you want to make, that all things we can able to make with help of this photo editing, with help of this Photoshop CC. You can do anything with help of Photoshop. Redesign means redesign powerful means brightness increasing, decreasing. Okay, and means this is a very important point. Without losing the quality of an image. Okay, picture quality will not reduce. Mostly our students they are using mobile apps. Okay, photo editing apps. If you are using that apps, it will reduce the picture quality. But if you are using the Photoshop, it will not. Okay, you can able to vanish means remove unnecessary things. Okay, and you can able to quick selection tool. Students, this quick selection tool while teaching time, I will tell you in a practically. That time only you will get. Okay, means it will select very fastly based on the particular edges, colors and all. We will see this all slowly. Okay. Here after graphical images, okay, means applications with reducer file size means we can able to create a GIF. Okay, GIF images we can able to create after layer effect 3D. This all things we will see after completing the sixth chapter. You will come to know this all things. Sir, what is this all? I am not getting anything. No need to worry. When we will complete the sixth chapter, you will get all the points regarding this. Okay. Now see here. Uh, I don't want to go this all things because this all things they given in a small hint. But when we are going for the when we are completing the sixth chapter, what are things they given here, you will come to know. Okay, so first we will complete the practical. After you, if you see this, it is very easier for you to understand. Okay. Now starting Photoshop. Start all program Adobe Cc. Now see here. See, this is a Windows 7. Okay, they mentioned here Windows 7. You can able to see the icon. Okay, here you can able to see the icon. Start. But we are using now minimum at least Windows 10. So Adobe CC 2019 latest version. Okay. So these are the things after components. Okay, this are the components they given. Okay, um, I would like to show to you. See, same as it is. Menu bar, sorry, title, menu bar. Okay, this is the workspace, sir. Why this is a workspace? Because here only we are going to work, means we are going to modify the images. Okay, whatever image editing, making, creating we are doing, we will make in this area only. So this is a workspace, and this is a tool panel, means this is a tool panel. Okay, so context menu, and this is a, what is that, means here we can able to adjust the colors. Okay, so this all things only they given here, you can able to see. Tool panel, workspace, okay, option bar, context menu, both are same. Title bar, menu bar, see, no need to confuse with the title and menu bar. This is a menu bar, and if I save any file, file name will be here, that is the title. Okay, title bar, menu bar, both are in the same place. Okay, no need to get confused in this. So this are the things. And if you are going some more deeply, see here menu bar, it is the top most horizontal bar. Photoshop window contains all the menu. And option bar. Option bar contains what? Okay, option bar contains, if I select layer, see here, if I insert any image, if I select any icon, based on that, here it will change. See here, if I select the crop, based on the crop, here it is changing. Are you getting? Means based on the tool option, this context menu option bar will change. Okay, so no need to, means they just given basic thing, you can able to write by your own. Okay, document window, the workspace only they are mentioning here, document window. Okay, panel, side panel. Okay, students here in tool panel. Okay, in a tool panel, this place, what tools are there, they given in a side, they given in a side. Next class I will tell you each tools, how we can able to use the tools. Okay, next class I will tell you how to use the tools. I think students today I taken more time, so next class I will tell these tools how to use. Okay, uh, say whatever, our semester portion is over, so I think 2 or 3 video class, our class, means our portion will be over after some little bit revision. I know in third, fourth chapter we are having some problem. In Photoshop we are coming. Students, be clear in this. If we are not doing practical of fourth chapter, third chapter is full and full theoretical of MS Access. But when you are coming to the fourth chapter, it is a querying. If you are not doing practical, I can able to give guarantee you can't able to understand. Okay, same way in Photoshop also. Here one drawback is in fifth chapter itself we have to do practical. Okay, in fifth chapter itself we have to do practical. But in MS Access third chapter theory and fourth chapter only we are coming to the practical. Okay, so soon school will be open. No need to worry. You will get a sufficient practical. Whatever doubts you are having, it I will be solving that. Okay. Thanks for watching, my dear. Thank you.